too. I'll just go and walk around a little bit. Now, I'll just put this slime over like this, stand it on the wall, and when Barbie comes out, she'll just bang into the slime. Whoa, what is this in my face? Oh! Elsa! My slime is into pieces! Look! Oopsie, but that was a great slime. Wait, I had a slime at home and I know how to fix it. You just put every piece of slime into the barrel and then shake the barrel. And when you pop up the slime, it will be just fine. Now, we can Alright now. Anna, can you just lie down? Yes, but what is it? Who did? Spread. Elsa, what are you doing? Ah! Elsa! Elsa! What's happening? Oh, I'll help you. Yeah. Pause. There. Put it on our hair. Ah, who's putting on my hair? It's so going out. Whoa. Ah. Too many slime hurts just on me. Wait. Now, Barbie, your turn. What? Ouch! I just lied down. Ah, there's slime on my leg. Ouch. Wait. I'll just pour this slime into the barrel. And now, shake the slime. Shake. And pour the slime. It's getting interesting. But I know we can all put our feet in it. Really? Whoa, slimy. Nice idea. Right. Let's go back. Enough slime for today. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.